Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's good, what's poppin'? In today's video I'm going to be installing this 5x5 closure curly wig from Jurlyshe hair company. All the specs will be in the description box, but let's hop right into the video. Okay, so for adhesive today we're going to be trying something very different, something new. I've been wanting to try out different types of glueless adhesives for you guys because I feel like not all of you really like Got To Be, so I want to find something different that can also be really good. I found this at the beauty supply store. It was $5 and it's basically just like supposed to work like Got To Be, but it's a different formula. It says fast drying, 10 times hold for lace. It's supposed to be like super strong, so maybe this is good for like 2 to 3 nights or overnight wear because I feel like Got To Be is very temporary. Like she will sweat off, like even your sleep she might slide off. Don't trust her like that. She's just to go out and come back. But yeah, I'm gonna try this out and I'll put like a review in the comment below, or I'll update you guys in the comment section if I like this or not. But we're gonna be using this, and yeah, let's get into it. Aaliyah just dropped a new video, so I'm gonna be watching her vlog while I install this wig. But cue music.
Your boy on deck. If you to call me Oliver Twist, though, cause I go there one more. My daddy tell me, say me got a need so. But I know say you're the one for me. You are liable, I no go lie for you. I fit to die for you, yeah. Girl, you do me like deja vu, deja vu. For you, I go fight kung fu. I'm all for you. Girl, you do me like deja vu, deja vu. For you, I go fight kung fu. I'm all for you. Oh, just pour me water, holy water, make I quench this fever. Yeah. Just pour me water, holy water, make I quench this fire. Yeah.
Baby, pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Pour me water, some holy water, make it quench this fire. Everybody want me, make I no fall in love with you, but I no answer them, I tell them say na you. Right now you come and then you play me for a fool. I'm out here wondering waiting I do. Yeah, baby, pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Yeah. Pour me water, holy water, heal this fever. It be night but I dey greet you bonjour. The thing you do me, they do me kung fu. This thing I see and me be deja vu, deja vu. It be night but I dey greet you bonjour. The thing you do me, they do me kung fu. This song I sing I better it be for you, only you. Pour me water, holy water, cool my fever. Just pour me water.
Alright, now let's do these baby hairs. Like I said, what I tell y'all, see, lace, she's melting. Show me the lace. You don't see it, exactly. But okay, now I'm gonna do my baby hairs. And I'm gonna be using Eco Styler as always. I really liked using this instead of using the Got To Be, but one thing about this, I think maybe I'll try getting a stronger hold because sometimes it won't lay the baby hairs as flat as I want them to. But yeah, keep that in mind. But anyways, to the baby hairs, I really wanted to do these dramatic big baby hairs like Bronny. She's an influencer. She has these like really cute big dramatic baby hairs that she does with her middle parts. But the baby hairs are not looking that thick. But maybe, we'll see. Let's see. I think I'm gonna swoop it that way. And I'm just using a brow razor, by the way. Don't want to cut them too short. I hate when I cut them too short and now they don't look like they're supposed to. Baby hairs are done. It was pretty simple so far with the spray. I'm not getting any lifting. I like it so far. Only thing I'm concerned about is, I don't know if y'all can see, probably can, but yeah, like this like little bit of makeup and glue combination. I don't know if that's the adhesive rubbing into the makeup that I used to tint the lace, or if it's because I didn't dry the lace like I always did. The reason why I didn't dry it was because I felt like it was pretty dry, but maybe I'm just gonna say it's because I didn't go ahead and use the blow dryer. So, but so far I like this glue. Not glue, but the spray. Didn't get much lifting, and it was fast drying, like they said. I'm just trying to clean up all of this. Go ahead and use this elastic band and just lay our lace and our baby hairs. All right. All right, so I zoomed out a little bit more so you guys can see me better, but real quick, what I use for my curly hair, I keep it very simple. Spray bottle filled with water, and I'm using this Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. You can use any conditioner that you feel like really moisturizes your hair, and I just squirt, not a lot, but I'll say it's like 30, honestly, like 10% water, 10% conditioner, 90% water, whatever the math is. All right, I give it a good shake to let it all disperse evenly. Honestly, I might add a little bit more because this hair is very long and very thick, and I want the curls to be very defined. The more moisturized the curls are, the better they will look. Shake, 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 shake. Real quick, let me trim the ends and make some layers. I'm not gonna do a lot. I still want to keep the length. I want it long. Let's see, really small. There's the trim. Okay, I feel like I cut a little bit too much, but that's fine, whatever. It's probably more like 26 inches now. And I'm gonna cut some layers in the front. We always need the layers, just to help the hair frame. I'm trying to be fast. All right. Not too much letters. Just a little bit. Okay, cool. And now we can go ahead and define the curls. I also have a very full detailed tutorial out on how I get super defined curls on any wig curl pattern. So go ahead and check that out if you want a full detailed tutorial what exactly I'm doing. But for now, enjoy this fast forward version. Okay guys, so I am dressed, got my little outfit on, just shirt, but this is what the final hair and makeup, that's probably someone asking her that, so the final hair and makeup is looking like. Okay, curls, very much poppin', makeup, she beat. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hope to see you in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.